you touched a nerve, because I literally have one of my kids is moving out and can't move out fast enough from a place that she rented a year ago with her husband, where I think they thought they were getting a top unit and they ended up getting a bottom unit, and they're going crazy from the noise above. And this is a big multifamily that was probably built in the 70s or 80s. And I guess they didn't pay attention to stuff like that. But it's not only that it's a bad experience for the tenant, but over time, I think those types of properties, well, they have to lower their rent, and they tend to then attract tenants that are not the best, who don't have other choices. But anybody who has a choice is going to leave when they have a bad experience, right?